Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash script. Today we are going to learn about how to replace the spaces with underscore via bash script. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the test.sh bash script. Okay, so any string that you want to have to replace, this is our normal string. This is a string with the spaces. You can see we have a spaces over here. Now replace the spaces with underscores, with hyphen, with question mark, anything you can replace. Okay, so let's understand what exactly the pattern is. So here we go with the pattern. This script uses the pattern extension with the first one should be variable. Okay, variable, then there should be a pattern, then there should be a replacement. Okay, so if I go over here, the code, so this is our original string. Okay, this is the pattern, right? And this is a replacement, so on which you have to replace. Okay, so here we have the pattern, so double slash, so original string, double slash, then pattern, like whether it's to be a space, whether it's to be a hyphen, whether it's to be an underscore, you have to mention over here, then replacement on which you have to replaced. Okay, underscore, hyphen or whatever. So here you can see, if I go and just do with the underscore, you can save this and go to the terminal and run. Underscore is replaced. Okay, if I go with question mark, you can also add the question mark over here, and let's try to run this question mark. Okay, if I go with the hyphens, you can add the hyphens also. Okay, so this is how you are able to replace spaces with hyphen, with question mark, anything if you want to do. Okay, just you need to understand the pattern, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.